The Spanish Steps, or Scalinata di Trinità dei Monti, represent one of the most iconic landmarks in Rome, Italy, and are a testament to the city's rich cultural and architectural heritage. Located in the heart of Rome's historic center, they connect the Piazza di Spagna, Spanish Square, at the base to the Trinità dei Monti church, at the top. This masterpiece of Baroque architecture is not only a popular tourist destination, but also a site of historical and artistic significance. The Spanish Steps were constructed between 1723 and 1725 as a result of a collaboration between the French and the papal authorities. The project's funding came from Étienne Geffier, a French diplomat, who left a significant donation in his will for the creation of the staircase. The aim was to create a grand connection between the Trinità dei Monti church, which was under French patronage, and the Spanish Square, a bustling center of Roman life and commerce. The staircase was designed by the Italian architect Francesco de Sanctis, with contributions from Alessandro Specchi. De Sanctis's design was chosen through a competition that sought to balance the aesthetic ideals of the Baroque era with practical considerations for the steep slope it was meant to navigate. The steps were officially inaugurated in 1725, marking a significant addition to the urban fabric of Rome. Despite its French origins, the Spanish Steps derived their name from the Spanish embassy to the Holy See, located in the adjacent Palazzo di Spagna. During the 17th and 18th centuries, the square became an important hub for diplomats, artists, and travelers, further cementing its identity as a multicultural crossroads. The term Spanish Steps became widely adopted due to the prominence of the Spanish presence in the area. The staircase's Baroque style is characterized by dramatic curves, terraces, and vistas. The design reflects the grandeur of 18th century Rome, blending seamlessly with the surrounding architecture. The steps also symbolized a harmonious connection between the secular and religious realms, linking the piazza below with the sacred space of the Trinità dei Monti above. The Spanish Steps consist of 135 steps, arranged in a highly theatrical design that incorporates various levels and platforms. The staircase widens and narrows at different points, creating a dynamic visual effect that invites visitors to ascend and explore. Key architectural elements include terraces and landings. The landings provide resting points and opportunities for visitors to enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding cityscape. These terraces also serve as natural gathering places, contributing to the lively atmosphere of the steps. Fountain of the Ugly Boat, or Fontana della Barcaccia. At the base of the steps lies a unique Baroque fountain designed by Pietro Bernini and his son Gian Lorenzo Bernini. The fountain, shaped like a half-sunken boat, commemorates a historic flood of the Tiber River. Legend has it that a small boat was left stranded in this very spot after the floodwaters receded. Trinità dei Monti Church. At the top of the steps stands the Trinità dei Monti Church, a French Gothic-style building with twin bell towers. The church's position offers a striking contrast to the Baroque staircase below. The obelisk in front of the church, known as the Salustian obelisk, adds another layer of historical and visual interest. The use of travertine stone, a hallmark of Roman architecture, adds to the steps' enduring elegance and durability. The staircase's geometric complexity and ornamental details make it a celebrated example of urban design in the Baroque period. During the 18th and 19th centuries, the Spanish Steps became a magnet for artists, writers, and intellectuals drawn to its vibrant atmosphere. The area's picturesque beauty inspired countless works of art and literature. John Keats, the famous English Romantic poet, lived in a house adjacent to the steps during the final months of his life. Today, his residence has been transformed into the Keats-Shelley Memorial House, a museum dedicated to the Romantic poets. The steps also played a role in the broader Grand Tour tradition, during which young European aristocrats traveled through Italy to experience its cultural heritage. For many of these travelers, the Spanish Steps symbolized the quintessential Roman experience. In modern times, the Spanish Steps have become synonymous with fashion and cinematic glamour. Numerous fashion shows and promotional events have been held on the staircase, reinforcing its status as a symbol of elegance. High-end brands have often used the steps as a backdrop for advertising campaigns, capitalizing on their association with sophistication and beauty. Additionally, the steps have featured prominently in films such as Roman Holiday, 1953, starring Audrey Hepburn and Gregory Peck, further cementing their global fame. The scene in which Hepburn's character eats gelato on the steps remains an iconic moment in cinema, drawing countless fans to recreate the experience. The Spanish Steps are one of the most visited landmarks in Rome, attracting millions of tourists annually. Visitors often gather on the steps to relax, take photographs, and soak in the atmosphere of the Eternal City. However, this popularity has also posed challenges for preservation. The steps underwent significant restoration in 2015 to 2016, funded by the luxury fashion house Bulgari, to address wear and tear caused by heavy foot traffic. In recent years, Roman authorities have introduced measures to protect the Spanish Steps from damage and overuse. Sitting on the steps, for example, has been banned to preserve their condition and maintain their aesthetic appeal. Security personnel now patrol the area to enforce these regulations. Additionally, strict penalties have been imposed for littering or vandalism to safeguard this historic landmark. Efforts to strike a balance between accessibility and conservation continue to shape the management of the Spanish Steps. Advanced cleaning and maintenance techniques have been employed to ensure that the staircase remains pristine while accommodating large numbers of visitors. The Spanish Steps stand as a powerful symbol of Rome's layered history, blending artistic, religious, and social narratives. They represent the collaboration between different cultures and the enduring allure of Baroque architecture. For locals and visitors alike, the steps serve as a meeting place, a stage for cultural events, and a gateway to exploring the broader wonders of Rome. Their historical significance, architectural brilliance, and cultural resonance make the Spanish Steps an enduring icon. As they continue to captivate the imagination of people worldwide, they remain a living testament to the beauty and resilience of Rome. Their story is not just one of the past, but also a reflection of how history and modernity can coexist in one of the world's most extraordinary cities. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you soon!